But this is a 9.5 for only 4,000. This is a 350 creams size 10 for only 12,000. So guys, we're giving away this brand new Travis Scott Cactus Jack Astronomical Fortnite PlayStation, whatever else you want to collab on this.
Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're here at Cop Garden. It's been a while since we last visited, so I guess we will be checking out what are the shoes that they have for sale. Some of the very best ones, some of the most hype ones, as well as their steal deals that are available that you can cop right now. So if you're interested to find out what's available here, especially since you probably haven't gone out of the house and you haven't had the chance to go here, this is the video for you. Let's go. So first up, we have a bunch of Yeezys that you guys might be interested in. This one is something that I've been wanting to buy for the longest time now. It's the Yeezy, I think Azareth or something, Azareth, something like that. I forgot what it's called. So it's a really nice shoe, really nice color, the pop blue and the white. And I haven't actually tried this particular silhouette yet, so really curious as to how this one feels. They're selling this one, I think, for 18,000 pesos. Now, next we have a couple of really affordable ones. I'm not sure which one is below SRP. I think this one they're selling it for like 13?
13. Yeah, 13.
So around 13,000 for this one. This one is around 14. And this one full reflective is around 18,000. So some of the Yeezys, despite being brand new, are actually below their retail price already. Here with, of course, the founder of Cop Garden, now turned YouTuber.
Oh,
So we have Adrian. So if you guys haven't subscribed to his channel yet, please make sure that you do so. In fact, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to announce it at the very end of the video.
There you go. But first,
oy, salamat.
Merry Christmas, pare.
Thank you. Ang cheap mo naman.
You guys know Cop Garden. We have a bunch of steals all the time. There were a lot more steals, I want to say, over the weekend. Right now, obviously they go fast because they are steals. And obviously now you can transfer and we send it to you with Grab or Lala Move or whatever, you know, shipping, delivery method of your choice. The John Elliott Lebrons.
In pink.
In pink. So these are all used. So most of the time these steals are all used. But this is a 9.5 for only 4,000.
Wow.
So that's pretty good.
The retail of that one is like almost 12-ish,
Almost
right?
12
yeah.
or so. So another thing that we have a lot of steals on normally because retail is a little high. The 4D carbons, the ZX 4000s. So this is a 9.5 for only 6,000.
Wow.
We have been having a lot of steals of Yeezys lately. And this is obviously the 350 creams size 10 for only 12,000. And dead stocks anywhere from 20 to 22 or even more right now. So
Kamusta yung pricing nung Yeezys? Is it going up, going down? I mean, demand for
it went down an inch and then they kind of stuck at what they are. Let me try to get into detail a bit. So for example, like the newer releases, like the Zions and the Israfils, what happens is they release.
I haven't even seen this yet.
There you go.
It's been
Not bad. It's okay.
Yeah.
I feel like tint of blues 350s always do a little better. After release, they're a little above 20k, and then they kind of sit and they all kind of level out at around 20 to 18, depends on the color and stuff. What did well in the start were like the tail lights. These did really well.
Yeah, because
People
they
liked a lot. Very simple, and then just a tint of orange. But then now they've kind of leveled out at like 20 to 24 or so. Same with the linens.
So the linens did well?
Linens not too much. Linens not too much. The Zions were okay. Well, zebras we have, I think this is the most stocks for like one shoe that we have actually, like compared to any other shoe here. So
You have a lot of this.
we have a lot of zebras. Like I think size 9, we have like 6 pairs of size 9s right now.
Oh, guys, so if you're looking for zebras, they
Yeah.
have a lot over here right
so
now.
just message us. And, like statics are hard to come by. This is only one we have right now of the statics, and as well as the black statics. So
So are the price up or down?
the thing is the prices are up, but they don't move as much. And then in terms of the other ones, what is interesting is the older ones, the classic ones, went up an inch more than what I thought. So for example, like creams, they used to sell DS for like 15 to 18. Now we're at like 20 to even 22. So those are the things that really, not really surprised me, but I expected that. There was 1 week, I want to say a month ago, where we sold like 7 Travis Scott Jordan 1s.
Wow.
All DS, like in the span of 1 week. and all different customers. So it was like from size 7 to like size 13. And like in 1 week we sold like 7 or 8 pairs, which is crazy. Back to Off-White, hit or miss. Yesterday we had a Vapor Max, the V2, the all black one, DS for 27,000, and I mean that's pretty cheap. So it did go right away. I think with Off-Whites they prefer dead stock
Versus the used. Yeah.
unless it's like really cheap. But that's the case with a lot of shoes now. Like the used used to sell a lot more, especially for us.
Much higher.
Yeah, and the values were still a lot higher. Now it's gotta be like, you know, really
Almost steel level.
not steel per se, but it's gotta be like, okay, this is used, I'll take it. Just because used right now with the dirt, I don't need to explain. Jordans did good after the last dance and everything, and now they're kind of planed out again. But the prices are up. So for example, like, what's a good example? I did not know these are worth 25 grand right now.
Seriously?
25 grand.
I sold my pair like that for like 9K.
There you go, right? Unbelievable. Same with these. What are these now? 15?
18.
These are like 18,000.
Dude, there was a guy in one of the events who stocked like a mountain of this.
There you go.
The
We
one
have
I
a friend.
saw.
We have one friend that has a bunch too.
Grabe.
So the
Wait,
last dance.
the guy
effect,
18?
18. What are other ones that went up?
Seriously?
How much are these now? 20?
18, 20.
18 to 20. Imagine before 11, 12. Pahirapan. What's the one that really went up? Oh, the Bloodline.
Weh.
This one. How
Seriously?
much is this now? 13.
What?
Oh, no. Okay, this is the best example. This is how much?
13.
This is 13,000. This is 13,000. We used to sell this under retail, which is what? 4,000, 5,000?
Grabe. So the hype now is more on the Jordan side. Specifically because of the last dance? Or
That's the hard part. I can't explain where the hype is right now because a lot of the orders are just... It's different in the past when we get people come in and they attack like, oh, we see a lot of people just bunched up here, or oh, we see a lot of people bunched up on the Yeezys. Now it's just a bit of like everything, you know. The prices did go up for a lot of things. There was no really like, oh, this is so cheap now because of the pandemic. No, everything actually did go up because maybe availability is a little scarce. And
but you know what? I still can't get over the fact that this is what? 18?
That's 18. But one more this is
So many
25
people were
grand.
just sitting on this and trashing it.
25 grand.
25, I sold that for 9.
Yeah, Red October's
How much are you selling that one?
350. 350 used. Yeah.
350.
I don't need to explain how crazy the prices are on those for dead stock. So
How about the Mars yard?
Mars yards, actually those aren't bad. Those are 150.
170.
Sorry, 170.
170. Can you bring that out?
Yeah.
So by the way, speaking of good value, if you guys are looking for a UNC Jordan 1, ito panalo, size 13, size ko pa. Di ba? This one they're selling for, magkano?
I don't know, whose is that?
Di ko alam eh. Pero sigurado ako sino mo may-ari na to.
I don't know very many size 13s. But
Oo, pero steel na daw to,
aren't you a
steel.
size 13?
Really? I don't know. So
You haven't worn shoes
80,000.
in so long, you don't know.
nga. So guys, 80,000. Baka gusto nyo bilhin. Nandito sa Cap Garden. So, panalo. Okay, now let's talk some dunks and COS and ASIC. So go. Magkano yung mga yan?
Okay, size 10 DS COS Jordan 4s for 100.
Nice.
We actually sold one the other day. That's the second one. The Witherspoon A6 collab. This is size 9.5 for 30.
The Sean Witherspoon Air Maxes. So how are they selling?
The Witherspoon Air Maxes,
Yeah.
pretty good because we don't have any anymore.
Oh, you sold out all of your...
Yeah.
How
That's
much is the
really-
going price for brand new one?
70? Sorry, I'm wrong. 50 to 60. Okay, so it did go up and then kind of
Started
planed
to
out. Yeah,
stabilize.
60s. You're at 60s for dead stock now. As you know, like Dunks, SBs were a thing this year. So we got the Purple Lobsters fitted, I think, yeah, size 10 for 45. And the Blue Lobsters, which are a little harder to find, 10.5. Same fitted for 85. And then I'm sure you guys know the Ben and Jerry's. I'm not the biggest fan of these. I think the prices did go down, but we still have them here for like 85 or so. I know my sneaker of the year. I know exactly what it is. Because one day, I hope that instead of Community Garden, it's Cop Garden. And I emailed Nike a couple months ago, actually no, wrong, a year ago, regarding doing a little collab and whatnot. And
Did they reply?
no, but we got halfway. We got one letter. We got one word in. So this is my sneaker of the year. Just because it's Community, Cop.
How much does
Garden.
it sell for?
25 DS. It's not bad.
25 DS. Oh.
Those are actually the best for resellers.
So sige, out for support. If anybody has like size 13,
there you
I'll
go.
buy it and I'll
Nice.
wear it just to support his dreams of ano.
Dreams of collabing with Nike.
collabing with Nike. So
It's
bibili ka.
close. I mean, it's got the first letter.
It's got the color.
It's actually got the first two letters. So we just went immunity, and so you gotta remove that and put a P, Animal Garden. So it's almost there. I mean, it's kind of like our peg, and this is like recycled material, all that.
And it's
so,
unique, eh? All the uppers, diba?
Yeah,
Since
it
it's,
is something I would have. Maybe the color a little different, but like the whole recycled thing, like even like how Witherspoon does it, that's something I would have
gone for.
probably gone for just for the whole sake of the grass and everything. So.
Oh, yun. Oh, wait. You said
That's my sneaker.
Diba dapat we're supposed to do a giveaway?
So, guys, we're giving away this brand new Travis Scott Cactus Jack Astronomical Fortnite PlayStation, whatever else you want to collab on this collab. Brand new blanket that Travis Scott released during that Fortnite concert or whatever it was. So, basic mechanics. Follow Carlo Ople on Instagram. Subscribe to his channel. Follow my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment down below probably what your favorite sneaker was on this little video that you saw. So, yeah. Not bad.
Yun.
Nice little display in your gaming room, or if you want to cozy up with Travis Scott's world. I don't know. Whatever you want to do.
How much are you selling that?
50,000. 5,000.
5,000.
So brand new.
Brand
Never been
new.
worn.
Oh, never been worn, never been. Sana naman never been used. Baka naman pinampunas na yun ng puwet, di ba? Anyway, so guys, make sure you do that. We'll be drawing the winner in a week, so 7 days from now. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Something very simple, straightforward. It felt good, actually. Thanks for having me, man.
No, I'm glad you're back. The world's gonna get back together, guys. Carlo's back shopping for sneakers. Let's go!
Pero yun, guys, make sure that you subscribe to Adrian's really nice channel on cars and a bunch of other cool stuff. And alam mo, nag-YouTuber na siya eh. Kasi ilang beses ko na na-video yan, ngayon lang siya nagka-energy.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Energy.
May energy na, oh. Talagang YouTuber na. Tsaka alam niya na yung terms eh. Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're back. Welcome to the vlog.
Ayun, gets na niya.
Giveaway.
Oh, alam na. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.